came here for help with my back pain and for IC vulvodynia condition. It was affected a lot. I'm a caregiver, and it was hard for me to have energy for others because of my own back pain. And the vulvodynia affects a lot of parts of my life, my personal life, and that energy that you lose whenever you have a flare-up. It's improved a lot. I have a lot more energy, response, and I'm feeling better. My back pain has subsided substantially from, it used to be a 7 or 8 all the time, and now it's like a 5 and 6, which that's a lot of improvement. I don't have whole days of attacks. I'm getting good response from my treatments here. From 3 pills a day to 1.5 to 2. Everybody's so friendly and sweet. The doctors are just wonderful. You feel like they're your friends. Not, they are professional, but I just feel like everybody's my friend here.